Hello again from Smart Work. We're excited to introduce you to inspiring people and groundbreaking tools that promise to blow away every limit. Ready for a truly surprising experience? Let's go!
This small-scale potato harvester is brilliant. Its rotating scoop lifts the soil, sifting out perfect potatoes right into the basket. Here's a mechanical ballet in action. This machine transforms flat paper sheets into bags using a perfectly timed sequence of rollers and pneumatic arms. From whole fish to perfect fillets, no hands, just ice-cold precision. High-pressure water jets and smart blades process hundreds of fish an hour. Each thud from this turret press is several tons of force, punching a precise pattern into a steel disc for parts like brake rotors. This industrial chipper doesn't just cut trees. Its 500 horsepower engine and hardened steel drum basically vaporizes them into a mountain of mulch. This is pure hydraulic muscle. At over 2,000 psi, this baler turns a mountain of empty cans into a tidy, transport-ready brick of aluminum. The real magic of hydroponics isn't just the sprouts, but that incredible root system, a single dense carpet of life grown without a speck of soil. This machine ensures every meatball is identical. It extrudes, cuts, and drops them into a 170-degree water bath to instantly set their shape. It's like dressing each bottle in a custom-tailored suit. A heat tunnel shrinks the plastic sleeve, creating a perfect 360-degree label. This is where engineering becomes poetry. This massive kinetic sculpture uses nothing but the wind to create its hypnotic, wave-like dance. A butcher's bandsaw makes short work of tough cuts. The high-speed blade moves through bone and frozen meat as if it were butter. This is the backbone of modern logistics. Watch the operator's skill, feathering the hydraulic controls to fit that massive load with inch-perfect precision. This simple cassava shredder saves hours of manual labor. What would take an hour by hand, this machine demolishes in just seconds. This is a jaw crusher in action. The immense power of the eccentric shaft forces the steel plates together, pulverizing solid rock into gravel. The speed and confidence here are incredible. She guides the wood through the bandsaw with a fluid motion that only comes from thousands of hours of practice. This isn't just trimming, it's sculpting. The gas-powered trimmer gives him the power and precision needed to create those perfectly sharp lines. Believe it or not, this machine is printing money, sort of. It's a massive guillotine cutter, slicing through huge stacks of paper with absolute precision. These craftsmen are carving a gemstone called bloodstone. They carefully work the raw stone, revealing the brilliant red veins hidden inside. This is a two-man ripsaw, a technique that's centuries old. It's a testament to human strength and cooperation, turning a log into a plank with pure muscle. The simple but effective design of this potato harvester is a great example of small farm engineering at its best. This specialized combine head is designed for one thing: harvesting sunflowers. The pointed dividers guide the stalks directly into the cutters. You're watching a CNC lathe carve a piece of acrylic. The precision is so high it can cut threads that are barely visible to the naked eye. This is how modern brushes are made. The machine punches bristle clusters into the plastic head at incredible speed, a process called staple set tufting. First, the cans are compacted into a dense brick. Then the industrial shredder's massive teeth tear that brick apart for easier melting and recycling. This compact reaper binder cuts the rice and automatically ties it into sheaves, dramatically speeding up a harvest that used to take days. This is a stump grinder on a tracked vehicle. The massive high-speed cutting wheel, tipped with carbide teeth, grinds the stump down into dust. That's a spray-on truck bed liner. This two-part polyurethane coating is applied hot and dries almost instantly, creating a waterproof, impact-resistant seal. That's not steam. It's superheated water from a pressure washer. It cleans deep into the brick's pores, removing years of grime in a single pass. This excavator is armed with a stump shear. Its powerful hydraulic jaws can bite through and rip out entire root systems with thousands of pounds of force. A simple press brake. It uses tons of force to make a clean, precise bend in a sheet of metal, a fundamental process in all metal fabrication. Here, a worker at a textile mill rapidly replaces finished spools of thread. It's a job that requires surprising speed and dexterity. On an icy road, traction is everything. This driver is wrapping his tires in heavy-duty chains to bite into the ice and keep this massive truck moving. This is a forging press, shaping a white-hot 2,000-degree steel ingot. Each press permanently realigns the metal's grain structure, making it incredibly strong. With the steel still glowing orange, this blacksmith uses skill and a well-aimed hammer to forge the final shape of the blade by hand. It might look small, but this walk-behind tractor, or motoblock, has the torque to plow through dense, heavy soil with ease. This machine is preparing a perfect seed bed. The rotating tines break up the soil while the rear roller flattens it, creating an ideal surface for planting. This automatic meat slicer is terrifyingly efficient. The high-speed blade can turn a frozen block of meat into hundreds of paper-thin slices in seconds. This is next-level roof maintenance. He's using an airless paint sprayer to apply a protective, waterproof coating to the inside of a large gutter. This mobile robot is designed to work in tight spaces like tunnels. Its arm can swap tools automatically, going from drilling to inspection in seconds. The skill of this stonemason is incredible. With a simple hammer and chisel, he's able to split this massive stone block with surgical precision. From a raw block of wood, an artist uses power tools and fine carving skills to bring this stunningly detailed eagle sculpture to life. This is how paint cans are made. Machines cut the lids, roll the bodies, and label them before they are stacked and shipped out for filling. This worker's skill is something else. He effortlessly feeds bamboo into a stripping machine, which shaves off the outer layer to prepare it for weaving. This is a large format 3D printer creating a whale tail sculpture. Layered by tiny layer, it builds this massive complex object from a digital file. This is a silicone molding machine. The white, raw silicone is mixed with blue dye and pressed through rollers, creating a beautiful ocean wave pattern. A marvel of efficiency. This machine cracks and separates eggs, dropping the yolk and whites into a basin while discarding the shells. From meat to vegetables, this automated system assembles perfect skewers, ready for packaging and grilling. This mobile crusher is being fed demolition debris. It separates the rebar from the concrete, turning rubble back into usable material.